The Lady Blazers, upon their return, they are in their choose your weapon mode. And Coach Jerry chose Ashley SS, Rhea Densing, and Camila Bartolome.
Of course, the go-to guys.
Oo. Depende kasi yan kung ano yung magiging timpla ng laro na yan. Kapag hindi kaganda yung timpla, sigurado magpapalit yan. Yan yung nagiging sistema ngayon ni Coach Jerry. Pagdating naman sa Arellano, choose their weapon din. Coach Obet Javier chose Heart Villaflores and Laika Tudlasan. Yan ang malalaman natin at opisyal nang nagbabalik ang V-League dito sa loob ng Playtime Phil Oil Center. At nagkagulo lang sa opensa ang CSB to start things off.
Yes.
Still no setup from Arellano. Nolasco, dug by Hart. Still no offense. Cheney to the middle. Nolasco.
Nolasco. Nagawa, lalo na kung nakaabang kayong dalawa. At sa gitna, dumaan yung bola.
Di pa nakakabawi si Rhea Densing. Ash caught. There was a coverage by Jessa Dorog. Another time for Ash Leses, rejected by Servidad. Densing, no. Kagikla already in this ball game. Punta sa net ang bola. Recovered by Basarte. Arellano on the offense. Hart Villaflores, no good. Nolasco. Blazing lang.
Din sa depensa kasi yung spot na yon.
Nagpalit ng attacker si Coach Obet Javier. Moming Padillon is in the ball game. Tang Servidad still check from the back row. Caught by Sam Tira-Tira. Trying to be that impact, that spark sa Arellano at the start of the ball game. Diba? Kasi yung mga wing attackers nila hindi rin makakuha ng put. Finally, there's one from Crisanta Servidad. Coach mo nun sigurado kahit hindi sanay ngumiti, no?
Oo.
Di ba sanay ngumiti si Coach Ramin? Missed reception. Free ball. Bartolome. Uy! Nagtinginan si Servidad. At si nice fake, no?
Na-fake nila yung isa't isa eh.
7-point advantage. They go to the middle. Christian Danganos check. Mangubat did not score. Bartolome the second time. Check by Tudlasan. Marian Padillon. Tinatarget talaga yung likod. Third attack. Bartolome. Nice back set to Faye Mangubat. Good job distributing that offense.
I agree.
Di kargado sa isang tao yung mga palo eh. Kahit mahuhuli lang sa Tudlasan, mamaya ibibigay niya sa iba ay pinaglabanan.
Correct.
In the meantime, back to live action. There's a new face on the floor for Coach Obet Javier. That's Keisha Abitria. Nevertheless, here comes the Lady Blazers. Another drop by Ondangan. Di lang gumana. The Lady Blazers has been having a field day looking for those open spots para namimili ng lupa eh. Attack is short. Sharp serve from Santiago. Then Sing block. Naipasa kay Sam Tira-Tira and that will go for Sam. Din sa ano talaga sa attacker eh, no? Na very precise on those hits. And the same thing, some semblance of getting your groove to carry on sa incoming second set.
Right.
Pinagpipiyasahan talaga na CSB yung mga back corners sa yung zone 1 sa zone 5.
Right.
It's like no matter how CSB plays that ball, that volleyball, it still find its way in. Back set, Servidad! Yan ang kailangan ng Arellano sila dito sa kabila.
Agree.
The finish. Got it! That corner again.
Right. Maganda yung distribution ng bola nitong Lady Blazers. At hindi nakapag-adjust sa depensa itong Arellano even though they know na ang target naman ay zones 1 and 5.
Ayun. Well said, Michelle
Diba?
Datowin. Set number 2 when we return. Tapos set number 1 25-15. Kasi hindi nagkaintindihan pare-parehas yung CSB sa reception to start.
Right.
But that was a long time ago. Nakaahon na kaagad yung CSB na yun. Kaya pagdating dito sa second set, babaunin lang nila kung ano man yung naumpisahan nila. But the pass was quite errant. And it was a net touch on the side of Arellano.
Yes, it was a net touch.
Has been quite exceptional.
Right. Kung ako blockers, mahihilo na ako. Paano ko dedepensahan sinong haharangin ko eh. Paikot niya talaga ng tao, maganda eh.
And that is, make no mistake about, that's quite a difficult thing to do. Diba? Kasi relocation yan ng mga kakampi mo eh.
Right. Nag-iisa siya. Tatlo yung iisipin niya.
Oo.
Napapalo. At kung sino pa yung bibigyan.
Christian Dangan. Attack wide saw but still managed to disrupt that Arellano flow. Second try, running. Wala pa rin. Nakakapalo ng Arellano. Jelay!
Yung play na yun, yung pinitawan ni Domasic na yun,
Agreement yun. Umpisa pala ng tournament. Di pa nag-umpisa yung tournament na pag-usapan na yun. Kat Domasic trying something different with that fake attack. Another block coming from Santiago.
yes.
That's an ace!
Sinag daw siya.
Ibobodega yung mga bigay niya, yung mga pasa niya, di ba?
Right. And dumiskarte na rin doon si Katarig kanina. Ngayon naman, itong si Flores.
Parang walang gustong sumagot eh.
Oo.
Tuloy na lang natin. Etabla na tayo sa 12. Flores, no. Nice sliding dig coming from Haram Ceballos. At ayun yung gusto pang gawin ni Tang Servidad kanina pa. Backset ulit sa 2. Jonah Getigan will get the point. Strong jump serve coming from Santa Servidad. Sam Nolasco could not make it work. Another drive for the De La Salle College of St. Benil. No good from Nolasco. Battle at the net. Still no good. Ash Lieses. Kisha Victoria.
Oo, nagdadasal na sila. Para magkaroon pa sila ng hook. Kasi pag nanalo tong Arellano.
Kompleto na.
Oo.
Kompleto na cast of characters natin sa Final Four. In the meantime, there's Jelay Santiago. Servidad. Deflected by the net. Nolasco was not in post. It's a different challenge being posted by this kind of score. Kasi yung closing abilities, kanino gagana? Sa CSB ba or sa Arellano? Samantha Nolasco, caught by Jelay. Yes, it's blocked by Servidad. Battle at the net. Play goes on. CSB attacking. Ash Lieses the drop. No. Servidad. Yes!
Ang ganda na mag-isip din to si Domasic eh.
Oo. Oh!
That was an ace by Servidad.
And there's a block by Jelay.
Balik pato by Jelay.
Tulad nun, Tang Servidad for sure flirting with double figures when it comes to production. At if you're Coach Abet Javier, sana magtuloy-tuloy. Tabla tayo at 1 set apiece. Special na. Mag-umpisa na ang ating ikatlong yugto. Jay De La Cruz, Michelle De Tuin. At unang puntos, Arellano. You could ask for a better reception, but either way, yung mga masasayang combination sundot, si Bat, tusok. Another try. Great back set. And that attack is in for Tang Servidad.
Natapatan. Goodbye na.
Oo. Sobrang pass kay Zen Basilio. The play goes on. Domasic. Combination play.
Ganda naman ng play.
5 points of Arellano, all coming from attacks. Almost came from an attack. Tensing from zone 1. Ano ahead. Sobrang pasa. Had to be creative. Inocentes, hello. In this particular set. Abitria, naging setter. Binigay kay Padilla. Kala ko bibigay kay Tomasik. Baligtad. Setter, naging attacker. Attacker, naging setter.
Uy!
Ayun na nga, pumaho na.
Nag-1-2.
Set hitter to dati, nagginawang setter.
Pwede.
Oh. Mga tipong storya ng Jasmine Nabor. Di ba na opposite hitter dati na yung takbo ng depensa mo, gugulo talaga.
Right.
Pasahan ng free ball pero hindi magkasundo doon sa first ball. Tinapos na lang ni Kyle Yeses. To the other side, Lasan is rejected by Tensing.
Sa 19.
Tight moments. To Lasan is blocked. But there's the Lady Blazers recognizing na yun yung gustong target ni Servidad. May coverage. Abitria, that was too far to the net again, but there was a check. Kisha Abitria will get the point. Either way, it's the Lady Blazers with 2 set points at their disposal. For the finish, Tensing, no! To cut that lead down, lumobo yung palo ni Sam. To the middle, Nolasco, Doug. Back set, Servidad wasn't ready. Chennai to Nolasco again, set too high. Di magkaintindi. No! The Lady Blazers got the point!
Nagkatingin.
That's the way that this third set finished with a miscue coming from the setter and the receiver from the back row. Lamang ang CSB sa laban na to, 2-1. Yun. So again, for context, if Arellano wins this one, it's Arellano completing the final forecast as Clyde Catarig start things off.
Oo, dalawang beses na lang nangyari ang nagkatinginan sila eh. Bola J, dapat kasi nagpapalit ng blocking.
Oh. Tandaan na lang natin yung request buong laro ni Coach Obet Javier. Yan, di niya request yan. Ayaw na ayaw niya dyan. Gusto niya, third ball, bilisan no. Tulad nung ginawa. Bartolome, no. Wala, hindi na naman nakapalo ang Arellano. Papalo ang CSB. Bartolome!
Cross.
Fortunately. Pero, going back, you have to understand where the Lady Chiefs are coming from. Tuloy-tuloy eh.
Oo, kanina pa siya.
Sheena to Servidad. Blocked by Catarig. Yung appetizer sa men's division, Enulet Run. Diba? Tapos yung main event mo, UST Lasal.
Yes.
Hanggang dito ko na nga, mamaya. Sige, samahan mo ako. Pero si JB, sasamahan. Si JB ang katabi ko, makita ito nagbalit ng server. Pag middle block kayo nagsaserve pagdating ng tulo. Diba usual, papalitan nyo ng...
Diba, malayo yung score. Hindi ko masyado napansin kung even crucial, hindi yun siya nagpapalit.
Abitria! A weapon that they can use again. They are going to face EFEU Lady Tamaraos in a best-of-3 affair starting on Wednesday. Semis na po sa Wednesday. Dito pa rin po sa Playtime Federal Center. Layup ni Catarig, di gumana yun. Sabi natin, di ba, kahit nakapikit, makapunto sana. Yung layup hindi gumana. It's Bartolomeu scoring.
Yung mga...
Oh, you really gotta call it a tournament. Servidad! Loaded serve coming from Sheena Cafe. Naging setter si Bartolome. Dumiskarte ng palo si Kai. Hart Villaflores with that approach, but deflected by the blockers. Flores wala. Sheena, Kaintang, wala pa rin. Iba yung pinuntahan ng bola pero na-recover. Hart Villaflores had to be creative. Basilio to Bartolome from the back row. No good on that pipe attack. Servidad. Oh, got it! For the finish, Kyle Yeses!
Tinapos sa cross-court attack ni Yeses.
With the FPU Lady Tamaraos. Some highlights first from set number 4. Tang Servidad did everything that she could. Diba? Pero pag gumana yung Clyde Catarig, gumana rin yung depensa ng CSB at gumana rin yung opensa ni Camila Bartolome. Ang hirap pigilan.
Mahirap talagang pigilan kasi yung bitaw din ng bola, kada play, hindi na mabasa ng Arellano kung sinong bablakin at paano bablakin. Kasi lahat nga ng spikers ng Lady Blazers gumagana.
Those are our final scores. The Lady Blazers currently at second place.